Hey you guys, it's Star. Thank you so much for tuning into the video. I hope you're having a good day or night whenever you are watching. So look you guys, I think this is going to be the quickest video I have ever made, but I wanted to tell you guys about this super duper money maker deal that I just did on the Dove soap. Now this deal may be a glitch, y'all. So with a glitch, this can stop at any time, meaning it worked for me just now. It could not work for you in 10 minutes. So if you want to do this deal, you need to make a move now. But y'all, this deal is phenomenal. I think it's been going on since yesterday. So go on ahead and get to the store. I just had to take a break from work and go on ahead and get mine in. So let me tell you about this deal. So the deal is on the Dove bar soap, and you do not have to have any coupons to do this deal. Let me say this again. You do not have to have any coupons to do this deal, but if you guys have been riding with me, you should have some coupons to do this deal, because they take this deal over the top and take it from being a freebie to a moneymaker. So if you have the $2 off of 2 or the $3 off of 2 coupons from the Dove email list, this is the time to pull them out, y'all, because this deal is phenomenal. So what you want to do is you want to grab 3 of the Dove bar soap, and you want to make sure to get the ones that are 3.17 ounce. If you grab the smaller ones that are trial size that are under 3 ounces, they will not generate your register reward. So you want to get the ones that are 3.17 ounce. So if you travel a lot, you know that anything under 3 ounces or less is trial size or travel size. Over 3 ounces is not trial or travel size. So we want to grab these 3.17 bars. These are $1.79 each. So here is my receipt for one of my transactions. So we're going to pick up 3 of those bars at $1.79. I actually used the $3 off of 2 printable coupon. I don't have any more, which is why I have that $2 off 2 there. But that $3 off 2 brought my subtotal down to $2.37. After taxes, I paid $2.75 in cash. You can use points to pay for this deal if you want to, but I just wanted to make sure that register reward would print, so I used cash just to be on the safe side, but you can use points, I repeat. So I bought 3 of them, used that $3 coupon, and I paid $2.37, y'all, and guess what? I got back $5. So I paid $2.37, got back $5. Y'all, these are over a $2 money maker for each transaction. So as you can see, I rinsed and repeated that same deal 3 different times. I ended up paying $7.11 out of pocket for all 3 transactions, and I have a total of $5, $10, $15 in register rewards. So I made $8 picking up 9 bars of Dove soap. I repeat, I just made $8 picking up 9 bars of Dove soap, y'all. This was a $8 money maker. So go on ahead and get to the store ASAP if you want to do this deal. If you are signed up for the Dove email list, go on ahead and check your email to see if you have any coupons to print and get on it. But even if you don't have access to a printer or any Dove coupons, this is still an awesome deal. I will put a link down below to where you can sign up for Dove coupons, so just check the description box. So that is all, you guys. I thank you so much for tuning into the video. Please remember to hit that thumbs up button and let me know down below if you have been able to take advantage of this deal. I thank you all so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye, you guys.